Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a get ready with me for Essence Fest. It's like a day to nighttime look, so stay tuned if you guys want to see how I did this quick and easy face for Essence. And yeah. So I have 15 minutes before I have to leave, so this is going to be like a quick makeup thing. And my skin has been really going through it, like right in this area. But I started a new skincare routine, so we're gonna give it a good another week. But yeah, I'm going to get a facial. This is my MAC yesterday. It's the Fix Plus with like the gold in it. So I'm gonna try it out today. Alright, so I'm gonna let that dry down. So it does indeed add like a little bit of a glow. And now I'm gonna take my Fenty primer and just add it to my T-zone where I get oily. Since I have those pimples right there, I'm gonna take my Fenty concealer in 370, which is my like natural skin color shade. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply that right on the pimples. Take this like flat Morphe brush and dab the concealer around those spots. I'm gonna leave that as it is. Now I'm gonna set that area where I put that concealer with my Fenty powder. I use the shade Honey to set my face. So it looks like this more so. Like you can still see there's texture, but it's just not as red. And now that we're done with that, I'm gonna go in with my foundation now. Since I did my edges first today, I want to like be careful when I'm going around there. So I'm using my Artiste foundation brush today. Don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but now I'm gonna take the back end of this beauty blender and just make sure all that's mixed in or blended in. I don't know why I said mixed in. Now I'm gonna take my Fenty concealer in the shade 350 and just highlight my face. Take my powder again and set that area. Now I'm gonna go and contour with my Kat Von D. This color is the one that I like. It's lasted me so long. Go in and add blush. This Bobbi Brown blush in this shade Coral 3. And I'm using a Real Techniques brush. This is my favorite brush for blush. Now I'm gonna go in with my highlighter. This is Champagne Pop from Becca. And I'm gonna be using a Morphe M310 brush to apply this today. Now I'm gonna go ahead with the Benefit Gimme Brow. I use the shade 3 and I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. This is just a quick and easy, like natural, no fuss way to do your eyebrows. Spray my setting spray. This is the Cover FX Dewy Finish setting spray. I've been using this since last summer and I really like it. Just use a lot because it's a really fine mist, so I kind of spray a lot of it when I use it. But I'm gonna go in with my mascara. This is the Kush mascara. The brush is really big and kind of hard to work with, but I do actually like the mascara. Now all that's left is my lip. So yesterday when I was in MAC, I also got this lip gloss. Look how cute the packaging is. It's from their, I forgot what collection, but it's called Marble Fawn. Looks like this. So, and I'm gonna be using MAC Whirl lip liner as like the base for my lip gloss. And now my makeup is done, so this is gonna be my face for the day. And I'm also gonna go back and like just add a little edge control right there so these little babies can stay slicked. And yeah, so I will be back later. So to go from day to night, I changed my lip to Stunna, a Fenty Beauty. And I actually don't think I'm gonna put my wig on because I think that my light color hair goes better with this look overall, like the slick back. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned for more videos to come. I hope that it was helpful. I hope it's easy to follow. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.